everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm flipping through some new items that are releasing from Kellofaplan. This is the summer release. So we have some summer sticker books, also some fun summer colored covers. Yeah, check out the website to see the other colors that are going to be available for purchase and also the sticker books. We're going to flip through these. But let's go over the cover first. So this is just a snap cover and fits on a disc bound, well, on discs, and it has a little snap here, and then the inside it has these two big pockets on the sides, or on each side, and then a little pen loop on the front. I always love having these nice covers to change out my planner seasonally, so this is going to be a good cover to switch to for the summer. And like I said, there's other colors available, so definitely check out the site to see the other color options. But I got this pretty yellow color. Okay, so let's flip through the sticker books. We have two, they're both different sizes too. I think this feels like a 30-page sticker book, and then this feels like, is this 60? Oh, it's 50 sheets. Okay, so let's flip through Happy 4th of July. 4th of July stickers. Okay, so here is the first page, which are decorative or functional boxes, so the functional stickers. And you get two of those sheets there. And then you have some deeper colors here in the red and the blues. Checklist, bullet points. Okay, then we have some reds, monthly boxes, and then the blues. Some small boxes. And blue ones. Okay, now we're getting into the decorative stickers here. So we have like a barbecue, the flags, and then all the barbecue food. You get two of those. These are all paper stickers. All these cute little ice creams and donuts. Those are fun. Fireworks, lots of fireworks. Love seeing those. The rockets. Okay. Ooh, this is kind of like retro vibes. So American vibes. You have the Statue of Liberty, some fireworks, the flags, the sunglasses, and the bows are cute, and balloons. Okay, here's the next one with the kids. 4th of July. Okay, next theme. Balloons, of course, more fireworks. Oh, another groovy retro one. I love these, this artwork style. Okay, so we have, again, more flags. The truck, this flip-flops there. The roller skates are cute too. Some bows, some very patriotic bows. And then we have red, white, and blue florals. And then these fun alphabet letters with like stripes. Red and white stripes. Two of those. And then blue. These are kind of like, it has a pattern to it. It's not a solid color, but they have a kind of like hatchwork. I don't know. Very hard, but it's a little pattern. Okay, so that is Happy 4th of July. Okay, next sticker book is I Love Summer Volume 2. Hold on, I need to move my desk down because it's hitting my camera a lot. Okay, so this is a summer themed sticker book. And oh, I forgot to mention, I'm going to have another video where I'm using these stickers in a spread, so definitely, or you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do a separate video because I want to get this one up before the release. And I think I forgot to mention when the release is, but it's gonna be on Friday, May 1st, and time and info will be down in the description, and also my affiliate link will be in the description as well. So I'll have a plan with me on release day, and then flip through the day before so you can see and make your plans on if you want to purchase anything from this release. Okay, so we have I Love Summer Volume 2, and this is a 50-page sticker book for this one. Okay, so getting ready for summer. So we have this nice pastel colors here. Oh, these cute bumblebees. Okay, here are the decorative stickers. So we have the bees and the honey. These are paper and some florals. Okay, next theme. We got blues and yellows and browns. Some sunflowers. Little cake. It's cute. Camera. We have some girls here. And the sunflowers. A little bit brighter color palette on this one. Oh, the fun little watermelon. It's cute. Okay, so all the summery things, bathing suits, the little beach balls, summertime, kind of like for the beachy theme. Some pretty summer florals. Okay, here's the next theme. You got the lemons, the kitty and the puppy, super adorable. Those are cute with the clothes hanging. Ooh, I like the lemons. Those are fun. Okay, here's the next theme. All right, this is cute, the artwork, and I like the colors. All right, we have the popsicles, the flamingo, and the sun, the leaves, and the palm trees, and the florals. Okay, next theme. More of that pretty artwork. The little houses. Ooh, that scene. That's so cute. More little scenes. And the chairs. This one's really pretty. Okay, here's the next one. Oh, we have a Juneteenth one. That's cool. I like these, the artwork. Okay, Juneteenth. Some pretty girls, and then the florals. Then next, this is 4th of July. Yeah, this is 4th of July. I really like this. It's kind of pinkish red, which is really pretty. Party in the USA. That's funny. Home of the brave. It's cute. Yeah, I like this pinkish tone. It's really pretty. Okay, the florals. Okay, another bright, colorful one. Cute. The rubber ducky. So cute. Pool party. That one's fun. Ooh, I really like this one. I like the colors. Ooh, the florals are fun too. Okay, one more theme. I think this is the last theme. Aloha. All right, so we have all the beach stuff, lotions, the license plate, the surfboards. Ooh, these flowers are fun too. Cute. All right, so lots of fun, different themes for summer, lots of different color palettes and artwork styles. And then, of course, everything you need to make a spread with the boxes and all the functional stickers and decorative stickers. Okay, so those are the two books that are releasing for summer. And then, of course, don't forget about the planner covers. But that's going to be it for this video, this little flip through. Like I said, I'm going to do a plan with me, probably featuring this one. So definitely stay tuned for that. But for now, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Again, links are down in the description if you want to check out the site to see if anything's been posted before the release, because sometimes they do like a preview over there on the site. But definitely check that out. And yeah, details will be down in the description. So thank you again so much for watching. If you haven't already given this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe if you haven't already as well. And yeah, hope to see you in the next one.